Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we start our new chapter. This is chapter number 3, the part of pay and compensation. Here we will try to explore how the work pay structure is determined and how their compensation is going on. To study this chapter, you should be able to know the major component of compensation program, the variation in base rate of pay for employee partly typical assignment within an organization. Factor that influence difference in rate of pay, people doing similar work in different organizations. Why the payment rate is different in organization to organization. The increasing importance of different rate of pay within a global economy. Compensation strategy. Before go to any part of discussion, we need to understand what is compensation strategy is. Identify the forces that influence compensation practices and promoting hiring, retention of productive workers. Why compensation strategy is important for retaining and sustaining the competitive workforce within the organization. If you fail to provide a standard compensation package to your employee, they may be switch the organization. After investing so much money in recruitment and training and development, you get nothing from your employee if they don't serve you for a specific period of time. With a move toward heavy capital investment for with a move toward heavy capital investment for continuing automation, robotization, labor cost is manufacturing sector organically have been declining from the 40% period. Today, less than 20% of the workforce is involved in manufacturing. More people are working service related industry and job. What is happening? Before that, manufacturing industries, most of the people work in the manufacturing factory basis work, but most of the factories are now becoming automated. Through the automated process, people are likely to work in service industry. Therefore, for this, you nowadays you see that there is a hospitality management, hotel management.
Is this all over the world or in our country?
All over the world. Because if you can see the Toyota, most of the work is done, it is all over the world. Because the books is from American book will follow that because this all over the world is statistics.
40%
This statistics in all over the world. Today's less than 20% workforce involved in manufacturing, only 20% worker are involved in manufacturing. More and more worker are people working service and industry. Now you can see that the hospitality management, then the hospital management, this type of work is now very much famous. The internet trading industry is expanding for new job opportunities because the manufacturing is replaced by the robotization and automation of this stuff. More than 70% of all work performed are considered service job. Most service sector organizations heavily labor incentives. It is not useful service related companies with 40% as high as $0 revenue for employee compensation cost. The compensation program. How you can determine that your compensation program, there are different parts. What and pay. To understand something about this labor cost, a good first step is to identify the major part that can be included in the compensation program. First is the base, which is the basic salary, wages and salary. From the perspective of many employees, for most important part of the compensation program involved in the determining administration on based of wage and salary. The lifestyle of the majority of workers revolve around their paycheck because your lifestyle, your survival is depending on your best salary or wages. Your lifestyle is mostly depending on your salary. What are the other benefit you get? It doesn't influence you a lot other than your best salary is it. The powerful influence of the lifestyle of wage earner and the dependent underscore the importance of the job, the pay received for by employee partnering their job. Wage and salary and add-ons. It include overtime pay, shift differentiation, premium pay for working, weekend, holiday, and other add-on on call for other given not normally required for worker. What is happening? You are doing the same task, but some job is overtime. you need to work at odd time. Like if you are working in call center, the person who are working in the late night hour, because the America is day and in our case it is a very night. That time your salary pay structure will differ from the daytime the worker because of the time variation.
That means there is no end time for that. That means they will.
Because there is some minimum wage structure by the government, is when it is passed by the government. But when you need to do extra work,
So now I will be paid for my overtime.
you are not paying for the overtime is okay, you are paying for the overtime also, this is an important thing. Also you are paying for odd time work. Odd time means you have to work on at night. You have to work on some weekend, you have to work on Eid day, holiday, because there is no other alternative. The organization tried to encourage people working on this day because of they have said that they are giving 24/1 no service, 24/1 365 days they are available. So that time the person will work having the same position, same quality, but the staff difference, the payment may be different. Second point is the shift differentiation. What is already explained. Premium pay for working weekend and holiday. Extra payment for weekend. You need to work in Friday. Suppose you have to work in weekday. You have to work in Puja day. You have to work in some public holiday. And other add-on for being on call. Other demand not normally required for worker. And other add-on, you are always available on call services. This type of job usually is higher paid job. For employees who perform a specific job in a certain kind of companies, those add-on particularly permanent, their employee can be receiving then a high degree of certainty they have received. Then incentives payment. Payment for output reached in the manufacturing market at the end of the 19th into the 20th century. Many kind of factory, male worker are still needing to pay for output system. How much you are producing. This is the already we have discussed many times the scientific management theory of W. Taylor. From this that if a person are producing extra, you have to pay them more. With the rising dominance of service job in the second half of the 21st century, including work as clerk, secretarial, repair, service technical, administrator, professional, scientist, manager activities output very much from day to day. From person to person, pay for output system are frequently neither feasible nor practical. But when most of the job are based on the service industry, how could you count this? There is no output. How could they rate them? How could they compensate? This system is not working anymore. In service system, how satisfied your customer is, you can rating the customer service and all the system, but you cannot count that this customer is satisfied by me also, because the whole process is a system. If any of the processing, if the process is interrupted, the service will be declined. So the customer service, when the customer satisfaction you have to gain, it is the whole process. You need to require the whole process will be work more stimulously, more smoothly. Any one of them is failed, the customer may be dissatisfied. Whether the other person is doing the right thing, but your colleague didn't, you are doing the right thing, but in the process, one of your colleagues is failed to meet up the requirement, that time the service will be declined, or the customer may be dissatisfied with your work. So it is very much difficult to count previous day where they count. Previous day will count. Employee benefits and services. This part of the compensation package include time of week pay when employment has been suspended and terminated, because you are need to require to suspend someone or terminated because he is not up to the limit. You may need to pay 2 months salary to him or her. Pay when unable to work because the accident and sickness. Benefits and services are rather recent vintage, falling one by two many of compensation. Agreement focus on the area of benefit and services. During the 1980s and 1990s, many organizations made strong effort to remove the rising cost of benefit package. Healthcare retirement cost is particularly will have increased much more rapidly than particularly any other part of total compensation package. Now they are planning for the retirement plan, pension and all this are included because when a person leaves the organization or when a person is gone for retirement, as they can maintain the same living standard they are maintaining before. Determining rate of pay. The critical basic reason underlying the differential in pay and compensation package for different employee relates to the following correlated or determination. Each of the correlation is relatively simple, straightforward. But like most factor influencing compensation decision, their destruction can become difficult to follow and understand. Find a level of required knowledge and skill. Then kind of business, whatever which is risky business, that kind of payment structure is different from the job which is little bit smoother. Union, non-union status, where there is a union, there is maybe a chance to get higher salary. Capital incentive versus labor incentive, whatever goods you are producing. Size of the business, the big business they have the large number of revenue than the smaller ones, so they can provide better salary than others. Philosophy of management, what is the philosophy of management? Some philosophy, it had an interest play. I have discussed with one of my MBA graduate students, that is a Kaji Pam, which is, I'm not with you. Which is high, but there is some which is the eight main class. So what philosophy of management I like the most, they say that in spite of you have a salary, you have a bonus on the basis of your status or whether you are executive manager, whatever, based on this that your bonuses may be paid. Each festival bonus and other festival bonus may vary as per your 50% of your salary they are providing from your festival bonus. It is okay. But one interesting thing is that when they share the profit sharing bonus, profit bonus, which is known as very popular, the organization from the profit bonus the management has shared something with their employee, the person 5 to 10% share with their employees. That will be same for all the employees, whether you are a peer or whether you are a
There will be no differentiation.
The management philosophy is that the success of the organization is not depending on only executive, and we are already providing the festival bonus and salary differentiation based on your knowledge, your expertise, your qualities and everything, your position. But the profit sharing will be same for everyone. If there is 100 taka profit, if there is 100 taka, 1 taka for each. If there is 200 taka profit, there will be 2 taka for each. Whether you are MP, whether you are PO, whether you are CEO, whether you are CFO, that doesn't matter. They said that for the success of the company is depending on all the persons involved, not the single person. So, very excellent philosophy. As per my expectation, I like this philosophy. This philosophy of management. And some management is that the profit sharing is based on the level of the job the employee has, because they think that the person who are in the key position, they need to play a very crucial role for success of the company. So profit sharing will be based on same as the festival bonus will be based on their salary structure. Okay. Total compensation package, geographical location. Whether you are in third world country, there is lifestyle cost is less than the developed country. So geographical location, the salary structure is package. Supply and demand of labor. Obviously, where the supply is lower than demand, then they get a better salary, and where the demand is higher than the supply, then the salary will be high. Profitability of course, profit with the farm which is profitable, they are like to provide more salary than others. Employment stability, gender differentiation, it is still a very burning issue. As a woman, some person is getting less, as a third gender they are paying less. This is also an issue for previous work. Employee tenure and performance, the employee which has a longer period of time and the same position, they can get better salary than the person in the same position who has 10 tenure period is less than the person is working in the organization. And performance, of course, performance is the key for all the success. The person is the same position, but performance is not the same. The person is performing well, he or she should be achieve more salary than others. Then is the base pay is kind and level required knowledge and skill. The most important factor influencing rate and pay are always the kind and job of person perform. In classification or differentiation job or pay purpose, no one single factors carry greater significance than the knowledge and skill required for the job holder. They also have master skill in their particular discipline or area of work that have enabled them to reach level of eminence and in return of exceedingly high rate of pay what they do. What does it mean? The person who are in a work is very in this factor is higher, that the salary will be high. That's why the aeroplane pilot has getting more salary than others and the other stuff. Kind of business, the nature of the business also major influence in the pay received job holder. For some jobs, especially higher level job, private sector business provide higher rate of pay than those in the public sector. Because in public sector, there are other facilities. You have the free house, you have a free schooling for your children. Maybe you have the other facilities which government can provide you. But in the public sector, that they can provide you salaries higher than the public services because you don't have this. They have a pension plan on the system, but in the private sector it is rare. Profit motives are private sector pay their leaders far more than non-profit private sector organization. Obviously, profit-oriented organization pay more than the non-profit organization. Not only do private and public sector profit, non-profit characterize includes rate of pay, certain but nature of the product it can be varied. Union non-union status. In 2003, approximately 12.9% of all workers in the United States are unionized. They have the union. Industries with a higher proportion of the unionized workers are in the public sector, federal, state, total government 37.2%, transportation and utilities 26.2%, and manufacturing 13.5%, construction 16%, mining 9.1%. By 2003, the present unionized member is private sector declining less than 10%. Since losing the union in 1930s, the business had highest rate of unionization and also had improved highest pay member in the workers. Because union, what is the power of the worker? As a single, when you are very single, obviously your management is very powerful because the investment in their hand and your job is in only one time when the worker will be union, they have the right, they can go for the protest, they can ask for their right because if all of them are quit, the organization will threat. One person is move on, the organization doesn't bother actually. So if
there are 100 persons, then they will
bother. So that's why the union is so important. When there is a union, the employees can get better salary than non-unions organization. Capital intensive, quite often business are low labor cost related to revenue maintain higher rate of pay. Probably no one cost of business is more controllable, has a greater influence on profit than labor cost. Labor intensive industry will require income low skill labor. When you are labor intensive industry, that their worker will pay less amount of money because their main motto is that low paid worker and they have their competitive advantages. That's why they are getting more and more border. As a business become more capital intensive using newer and more sophisticated technology process, they require fewer employees, whereby they must have higher level of knowledge and skill. At the capital incentives, you are using sophisticated technology. For this, using the sophisticated technology, higher level of knowledge and skill, and that time in turn the major highly employed user is given high rate of pay, and you have to pay more to them. And the person who can use this sophisticated technology, they have the limited number of. There is a lack of people in the industry or in the society. Size of business, largest business often provide higher wages rate than the similar business profitability, non-unionized, equally related company size. Normally it is the size because their product they are in demand. If the high demand come economic of scale and the opportunity to increase profit with the additional unit of goods and service provided, why large company are getting more profit because they have the economic of scale. They have the money, they can buy the sophisticated technology or use the sophisticated technology in their institution, which will increase their efficiency level, cost minimize, they can usually minimize their cost, so they can opportunity to increase profit, additional unit of goods and service provided. A direct relationship exists between the size and salary bonuses received by the top executive size of the companies for which they were worked. Philosophy of the management, already I have discussed. Some owner and top executive are philosophically biased toward paying their employee as much as possible. Owner try project I need to pay as much as possible. Other owner and completely opposite bias. These bias are these biases have definite impact on the amount of pay offered given to employees. To employees who have no more necessary philosophy, some such factor as minimum wage is no existing market. Establishing minimum wage rate significantly influence the rate of pay offered to employees. Some employers are committed to philosophy paying their employee above industry on other minimum standard in order to attract, retain best pool of skilled worker are available. Total compensation package. Base pay of annual earning have been used to compare the compensation package of employees. With each passing year, the kind of compensation become less and less useful. Today, the young will soon become interested in employers' pension plan, daycare assistance, medical, hospitalization insurance, and many other benefits and services. Today, they have become sufficient interested knowledge of their compensation package to recognize the value and the board of their vision company. In fact, it is challenges to management to compensation professional to keep it fully informed of the compensation they receive. Geographical location, employment and unemployment do not affect all section of national equality. The drop of commodity price between 1982 and 1986 increased high for manufacturing goods and particularly diversified contiguous heartland state. Not only employment opportunity development improve jobless rate, but certain region has historically higher wages than others. State earning and higher living standard. Obviously, based on your living standard it will vary. Supply and demand of labor, even in times of high employment, individual with decided secondary ability and demand. Sometimes the demand are in a specific location and other times they are national in scope. When there is a short supply of unskilled, low-skilled worker willing to work for minimum or near minimum wages, the pay offered this worker are quickly sought and even excited failure on minimum wages guideline. Profitability of the firm, even working for a higher profitable business, have a greater chance to receive higher wages than those working in a less profitable firm. Historically, higher paid firms felt they had an edge to hiring, retaining best worker are paying and outgoing rate in the market. Employment stability. During the period when the worker force are being reduced in size, employees become extremely concerned about continuation of employment. Practically, all workers were psychological security of knowing that their job will be there as long as they want it. The good life consists of not only a car, housing, clothing, but enjoying leisure time. This time, I can all have a cost, frequently significant part of the cost of absorbed through the accident and aggregate card that secure the future employment. Employees who feel their jobs are permanent are often willing to take to work knowing that the paycheck will be there as long as assignment are performed in a polished manner. That's why in the public sector, people like to go for a public sector because of there is a security of job. Gender differences, the gap between the male and female earning has been majorly irritated to advocate women right. In industry job in which female-dominated workforce exists, 70% of all employees are female, which are rarely normally lower than those in the male-dominated worker. Employee trainer and performance, when analyzing the rate of pay in various kinds of composite target, it's particularly impossible to separate two critical in-pay differences tenure and performance. In some cases, an employee pay increase because year of services, even employees low level minimum skill job but more value increasing length of services. Every year there is an increment, so you can individual performance who also can make a significant difference in the pay received by the equivalent in similar job. This one will be studied later on. Okay. Today I would like to show a case study. Now I will discuss a case study and you need to write it down. I will provide you the form. In recent year, a prominent Bangladeshi company, PrimeTech Solution, has seen rapid growth. To keep pace and they needed to well-defined compensation strategy that attract, retain, talented and align with the goal and industry standard. PrimeTech new technology include fixed salary based on the role and market standard, variable pay bonus based on the term of individual performance to encourage reaching target, benefits, health and insurance, paid leave, retirement plan to support employee well-being, equity options, stock, a build sense of ownership, recognition program, non-monetary award for achievement fostering model. PrimeTech recognized that this compensation strategy will enhance job satisfaction, productivity and retention. As a result, they ensure competitive wages while linking incentives to the company objective, creating a productive, motivated workforce. Now my question is, why did PrimeTech Solution decide to implement structured compensation strategy? আপনারা একটু এখানে আমার কাছাকাছি আসেন, আমরা গ্রুপে করি, হ্যাঁ এটা তো গ্রুপ ওয়ার্ক। আর আজকের জন্য এটাই, আমি ক্যান ক্লোজ দ্য এন্ড দ্য ভিডিও। সো কেস স্টাডিটা আমরা এমনি সলভ করে